Well, not to me, because I'm a city employee, but most of all to my community, because there's so many people who don't have insurance, who walk around here, especially in the black community. They just think that they're going to live forever and don't even want to go to the doctor and don't know what's available. So I'm very appreciative for that. And I'm also glad with the work that he's done with the incarceration and the repeal on the Rockefeller drug laws. I'm very grateful for that. Well, it affected my community. I happen to live in one of the blocks that were considered $1 million blocks, and it affected my population drastically with the black male population. I mean, from 18 to 50 is the absence of black men, and the fact that they're trying to maintain themselves through drugs solicitation is they always say, what's a viable arrest? Is a rapist or a drug dealer a viable arrest? What affects the community? And my interpretation of that is people look for the drug dealers. He doesn't make them buy drugs. That's something that they choose to do. And a rapist is a person who infringes their right on someone else's right. So yeah, that to me was a problem. Proud to have voted for you, and I pray God that you stay forever blessed, you and your family.